Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasie. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join my little ohana that I have here, and also don't forget to ring that bell so you guys are notified when I post. Today is going to be a really quick video. I did get my Boxycharm in the mail, so I want to show you guys quickly what I got. I didn't use them today just because I am trying to catch up on my filming. I am so behind. I have so many things that companies sent me to review. So, quick disclaimer, you guys are going to be seeing this look in a few videos, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to record that for you guys as well. So yeah, let's get into the Boxycharm. So this month's theme is Boxy Bash, and of course it always comes with this card. It has all the details on the back of the card for everything that is in the box. So I'm just going to pull everything out, no particular order, and show you guys what I got. The first two things that I got are these makeup brushes. These are from AESTHETICA. So it comes with an angled brush and then a liner brush and then also a spoolie. These three brushes retail for $45. That, in my opinion, is pretty steep. I would not pay $45 for three brushes. They do look like really nice brushes. This one in particular is really soft. I feel like that would be it is a little thick for my taste, like for liner or brows, but I do find that this would probably be really good for concentrating the color on your lower lash line. This liner brush though looks really nice. I do like these for detailing, especially if I do face paint, but sometimes if you want to get that wing liner, it's really good for gel liners. So these are actually really nice. I wouldn't pay $45 for them, but that's how much they retail for. Then this brush is the P12, and I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. My box seemed kind of smushed, so as you can see, my brush is kind of dented a little, but I'm not mad. It's really soft. I feel like it'll get back its shape once I wash it, but it feels really soft. And this face brush retails for $27. MAC, Sigma, their brushes, their face brushes range about that much. I've never heard of this AESTHETICA brand, but for a face brush, that's pretty much, for higher end, that's how much their brushes retail for, if not more. So $27 for this brush. It is really soft. I can see myself using this for bronzing up the face, or even if you know you want to use the very tip of it to highlight or apply blush. I feel like this is a very versatile face brush. So yeah, it is a nice brush. I do have my last 2 months of Boxycharm sitting on my desk. I have not used them. I have not reviewed them. I have just been so behind on filming, especially since I took my break. So I do plan to do a tutorial using pretty much everything that I've gotten in Boxycharm so far. If I can do a full face. If not, I'll throw in some other products, but I do want to eventually use the products that I've gotten in my Boxycharm and review that for you guys, do like a first impression type of video. So if you guys are interested in that as well, comment down below, let me know. The next thing that I got is this Beauty Creations matte lip gloss. This is in the color Kiss Me, and this is what the color itself looks like. It's really pretty, guys. I saw other colors and I was like, that's gonna be way too light for me, so I'm actually really happy that I got one that will pretty much match me. According to the card, this lip gloss retails for $10, which is pretty standard for a lip product. This is a pretty big lip product, and you do get 4 grams of product in here, so I feel like $10 is not a bad price. The applicator itself is just one of those, in my opinion, really cheap applicators. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So that is the lip color right there. I'm actually really happy with this color, guys. I could even pop it on right now with these eyes and they would pretty much go well together. So yeah, I really am happy with this lip color. Next thing that we got is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Blacklist gel liner. I didn't expect this, but the product, I don't know if you can see it, it's deep in there, you guys. But let's go ahead and see. So this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, it retails for $24. You do get 6 grams of product in here versus my MAC Black Track Fluid line. This one I get 3 grams. So you're getting double the amount of product that you get in a MAC Black Track Fluid line. So for $24, I feel like it's reasonable, you guys. This Cover FX blurring primer, you get 1 fluid ounce in here, which is standard. This primer retails for $38, and coming from Cover FX, that's pretty standard, I guess. It does seem kind of steep for a primer. It does claim that it instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines and creates a super smooth, flawless, airbrushed look. So that's exciting right there, you guys. Definitely looking forward to using this primer. And then the last thing that I got in the box is a Sculptor palette from Pure Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that right. Pure or Pure. I'm just gonna go with Pure because I'm always saying that. I'm not gonna lie, I did open this box already because the first time that we got a Pure palette in Boxycharm, it came with stickers on the side of the palette on both sides, and it was really hard to get off, and I just really hate to mess up the packaging. So I opened it so that I could have it ready to open, ready to show you guys. This is the palette right here. It's very cute, very sleek. It does come with a very nice size mirror, and these are the 4 colors that you get in the palette. I'm really happy that they have these dark shades in here because I know it's gonna work for me. These highlight shades are actually really nice, you guys. I'm happy about it. I feel like it could match anyone pretty much, especially this one for my women of color, and you can even go ahead and mix the two. It's so versatile. So I'm really happy with this palette. I can definitely see myself using it. The retail price for this Sculptor palette is $30, which I feel is an okay price. You do get 4 pans in here, and each pan has 0.3 ounces. So you get a total of 10 grams of product in here, which is not bad for $30. So yeah, I am actually really happy with this Sculptor palette, and I cannot wait to test this out for you guys. So yeah, you guys, I know that was pretty fast, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm because like I said, I am trying to catch up with recording videos today. So if you guys get tired of this look, I'm sorry. To wrap it all up, I am actually very happy with this month's Boxycharm, seeing as we got 6 products because it was Boxycharm's birthday month. I'm really excited to test out these brushes. I'm really excited to test these out as well as the palette. So for this month, Boxycharm just hit it on the nail for me. I love every single thing in this box, and I cannot wait to record that video for you guys, testing out all my Boxycharm boxes. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Thank you guys again for being here. I really hope that you guys enjoy these kind of videos. Don't forget, you guys are beautiful, and I love you guys so much. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha!